Hi, once again. So, can one file income tax returns in Canada for free? Yes, obviously you can file. That's not a big deal. How you can file? So, welcome once again from आप देख रहे हैं activity here in Scarborough near Toronto. That's about 17-18 kilometers. So I'm talking about like downtown Toronto. You can file a tax return in Canada for free. Today is Family Day, 20th February, 3rd Monday of the year in February, and Monday is the day, and 29th of Rajab. Time is right now 6:10 p.m. Sun has already set there. So sunset was 5:53 p.m. Sunrise was 7:08, which means like 10 hours 45 minutes of daylight. Temperature right now is -2 and feels like is actually +2, feels like -2, and I'm feeling more chill in my hands, so it's obviously getting down for tonight. Always visit official Canada government website. Never put any data on untrusted websites, or when as you have searched a page for filing a tax and you get the links or ads or promoted things. Never put your data straight up. Even if the website is trustworthy, first make sure you are doing it on an official government website or a third-party website. Be aware of that. So how do you file free taxes? You can seek help of any person like me, your friend, who knows a little bit about these things. Not a big deal. You can file for free. Especially since you are a newcomer, you don't have any income, you don't feel the urge. First of all, like a newcomer from Pakistan, I felt, why do I need to file taxes? I had no income in here. So it doesn't work that way. If you have income or no income, even in your home country like my country Pakistan, you need to file taxes. Both are separate things. Having an income or filing a tax is a separate matter. Consider especially in countries like Canada, where 51% of the national income of the government is from personal income taxes. Also, these are social welfare state, taking money or pooling money from corporations and people earning high and sharing into lower incomes or stratas of the society or individuals or personal or businesses that way. So this is one thing. Second thing is, in Canada, income tax filing is income tax return. It's actually income tax and benefit return. So even in the name it's built in, it's for your own benefit. Obviously you will earn high, you will get less support from the government, but that makes sense the way our social setup or the income setup is built upon. So one was, you can seek help of people like me to file free for you, someone in your friends, family member. Second is, you go to the Canadian government website. They have the step-by-step guide. You can read that and file the tax return. In between, I will say, you will consider, why spend so much time? I can pay someone and file taxes. That's your choice. You can do that. Third is, there are free softwares to file your tax return. And now, don't think I'm taking you to some third-party software or trying to promote them. Not that way. You go to the government website, canada.com, CRA, Canadian Revenue Agency, which is the Tax Authority of Canada, and CIC.gc, that's the very common Canadian government website most of the immigrants use. And by the way, by immigrants I mean you are a permanent resident holder, you are a temporary resident holder, you are a refugee, you are on a work permit, or even you are a student. Yes, you heard right. Even if you are a student, you are a newcomer, you had no income, you have to file your tax to get whatever benefit. That may be up to 800 or 1000 an year, but at least you are getting something. So these softwares have been recommended or their names are on the Canada's official website. You can go there and visit and file a tax return. For simple tax return, for simple, your my status is simple, right? You owe something, you want to file something, you want to get some benefit, you have a spouse or kid, or you are a small business, you are a self-employed. That's a simple return. For complex returns, some of these services are going to charge you, but like me, you have a simple return, so we don't to discuss or worry about that. Another thing is, when you will file tax return from them, most probably after the end of filing tax return, they will ask you to support their work, because they say they are not being paid or getting paid by the government for any of their services. They are doing voluntarily. So if you want to support them, it's your call, but just their names are on official Canadian website. Third, you can walk to the newcomers immigration support centers. They can help you. Fourth, they have clinics especially set up for the tax period. You can file, you can visit them and file. Some volunteer will file for you. You can drop your written tax return. By the way, you can file online or print a form and write it and file it. You can directly file it if you know that. If you don't do that, you just give your personal information, drop in a drop box outside the clinic. They will do for you when you go there to pick your tax return to file to the government, because you have to file it. Then they will ask for your ID. They want to make sure that you are that person. So these are the few ways you can get your free return files. If you want to pay some cost, you can visit the websites like Craigslist or Kijiji or Facebook Marketplace, or there may be some others where few people are offering their maybe free services. Someone new in this field, or someone trying to practice, or someone that is simply charging very less amount or few dollars to do it for you. Anyway, these are these resources you can do free or cheap to file your income tax return, but you must file. There is a benefit for you and me to file the tax return. This is how this system works here. Thank you for watching this far. If you really like my services, my content, please give it a thumb up. Support by subscribing, sharing, commenting. Press the bell icon so you can get notification of the new videos. And on the top, if you can go to the captions, I have translation or subtitles in your preferred or beloved sweet language. See you again. Until then, bye bye from this is Donwood Park Public School. Bye bye.